what you're seeing right now is a presentation that was entirely made by AI. And I'm not just talking about AI that can generate images or maybe putting some text into the slide. I'm talking about AI that can do the whole research and basically will save you hours of working and will create this nice looking and professional presentation in just minutes. And this is only possible because now we have AI agent technology. So if you were to ask me what is the best AI tool for creating nice looking presentation, then my answer would be this AI tool. But apparently there is a new challenger that makes this tool called Gamma to be less attractive. I'm not saying it is bad, but it is still way below what we have right now. So there is a new AI tool called Genspark that lets you create nice looking presentation in just minutes. And again, it will do the research. It will not just creating presentation and create good design. It will literally create some great looking presentations. Now, before I show you how you can use it, let me show you a few examples that was created by this AI tool. So this is one example where the user is sending a simple prompt and it is creating this egg slide presentation. And again, it is based on real data. It is searching content from the internet, and you can be sure that it is actually not AI hallucinating information. It's going to provide you some resources, and you can actually see all the websites that were visited by this AI agent. There's this another example where the user actually uploaded several documents, and I think the document was from, there are many PDF documents, but these documents, they do look very different. The numbers or the format could be different, but AI can read all of that and can basically unify them together into one unified report. And I think that looks amazing. That's just, if you hire someone to do this, it will take days to just get this kind of report, but now we can get it in just minutes. And there's this simple, not really simple presentation, but again, it was based on a simple prompt, and AI can read tons of pages and then include some videos into the presentation. And again, this is also quite interactive, so you can play or click some element, and maybe if you want to share this to your friends or your colleague, then I would say this is going to be the best format. And there's also this one, which is quite interesting because this one was based on multiple document formats. And by the way, this is just replaying. This is not actually doing the research. So that's one unique feature about this AI tool. It will do the replaying for some reason, which I think that's kind of unique. And you can see that at the very beginning, the user is providing 3 different formats, and AI can just read all of that with any problem. So let me show you how you can use this AI tool to generate any presentation or doing any research and generate the report. So first, let's go to genspark.ai. I'm going to leave the link in the video description, and then here you can navigate to AI Slides. And if you're a free user, you can get, I think, 200 credits for just testing some features in this tool. And in this case, I think I got 200 credits, which I think hopefully enough to generate the presentation. So I'm going to be entering this, inserting this prompt. And this is the prompt. Generate a presentation to showcase the popularity of electric bicycles across countries, present some numbers, studies, and opinion, research a trend in the past 10 years, use minimalist modern design. Yes, you can actually tell AI about what kind of design that you want AI to generate on the presentation. You can make it to have, unique design, like maybe pop art or maybe retro video game in the 80s format. You can do that because it will actually do the coding. So yeah, this one AI that can do a lot of different things. And by the way, you can upload a document, but in this case, I'm going to just use the simple prompt and just send the message. And now I just need to wait until it finishes. You can just look at all the thinking, all the processes that being done by AI. But of course, this could take several minutes, so I'm going to just skip forward when it is done. Okay, it is not done yet, but I just want to show you how it is actually doing the work. So apparently it is creating one slide at a time, and you can see that it is generating the code. So behind the scene, it is really just code, and I believe that it is basically just creating a sort of mini web page, and it's going to be representing each slide of the presentation. I think that's a unique approach, but definitely a bit unusual. So if you're thinking that it's going to be creating this sign in the same way as a person using Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides to generate a presentation, then that's just not the correct way to describe it. But still, regardless of how it accomplishes the goal, I think it is doing a great job at generating the report. So I'll be back when it is done. Alright, so it is done, and you can see that this is the result. It generated in total 8 different slides, and yeah, I don't know whether or not we can actually get more, but I think 8 slides for a quick presentation is definitely more than enough. Now, if you want to preview this to a full page, you can click on this button, open in new window, and you'll see the full version of the presentation, which later you can use it to present it in front of people or during presentation session. So as I mentioned earlier on my prompt, I wanted this one to be modern and minimalist, and I would say that AI agent in this tool is good enough. It is actually following my command, and here you can export the file to PDF, and I think there is a way to export it to Canva and Figma as far as I know. Yeah, there was a few examples. Let me go back. Oh, this one. So there is edit in Canva and Figma, but for some reason on this design, I don't see that option at all. But I don't know whether it was caused by I'm using the free account or something else. I don't really know. But at the very least, we know that you can export a document to PDF. And if you want to play the slide, so you can click on this button, and now you can just present it normally as when you're using PowerPoint or Google Slides. And even though so far I don't see any animation being implemented, but I would say still pretty good, and you can actually see there are some interactive elements on this presentation. So yeah, even though we cannot export this into PPTX or Google Slides format, at the very least we can just play this on the browser and you can just use the presentation normally. And overall, I would say the design looks attractive. It's fulfilling the task, and I'm quite happy with the result. In fact, this is even better than if I'm using Gamma.app. And remember, I'm not doing any research here. Everything was done by AI. So I'm so eager to see what is AI is able to do in the next few months. And yeah, there you go. And go ahead and visit Genspark.ai and try it yourself. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.